At Fab-Rite Services, we believe our strength lies in our diversity. Join our team, where everyone is valued and included.
Working here means being part of the inclusive and diverse environment. We learn from each other and grow together.
Experience a four-season lifestyle in beautiful British Columbia, where you can enjoy skiing in the winter, hiking in the summer, and everything in between.
Living and working here means the best of both worlds, a fulfilling career and an active outdoor lifestyle.
Fab-Rite Services is more than just a place to work. It's a community. Our supportive and dynamic work environment makes it a great place to build your career.
The team spirit here is incredible. We support each other and celebrate our successes together.
At Fab-Rite, you can work on your trade tickets toward becoming a journeyman and achieving Red Seal certification.
Fab-Rite supports our growth by providing opportunities for us to earn our trade certifications and advance our careers.
Come join the Fab-Rite team, where we value our employees and provide a supportive work environment. We look forward to working with you.
Fab-Rite Services, where your career and lifestyle come together. Join us today.